solve another CSES problem. So the problem name is range Xor queries. Given an array of n integers, your task is to process Q queries of the form what is the Xor sum of values in range A to B, both included. And we just have to print the result of each query. And A and B are both from 1 to n, so the indexes are 1 based. So the concept that we'll use to solve this problem is basically prefix uh, subarray calculations of Xor values. So basically, let p of I equals to sum from 0 to ith index, not sum, Xor, right? Then if A to B is asked, right? And we like let's assume that we have reduced it both by 1 to go to 0 index based indexes, right? So if this is given, if this is asked, then this will be equals to P of B XORed with P of A minus 1, right? Basically, if we XOR with this part will be equals to P of uh, P of A minus 1 XORed with uh, some set of values which will be equals to uh, A uh, like nums A plus XORed with nums A plus 1 XORed. So this will go till nums of B, right? And then we are XORing P of A minus 1 again, right? So this XORed with this will become 0 because X XORed with X, where like X is anything, right? X is any number that is equals to 0. So once this these two cancel out, right, then this will be remaining, which will be equal to the XOR from A to B, right, which we can print out. So let's code it up. Okay, so let's define the vectors to take the input as well as to keep the prefix XORs, right? Then we can say that P of 0 equals to A of 0, right? And this will be equals to the previous XOR value XORed with A of I, right? And then we can process the queries. So once we have adjusted them to be 0 index, then we can say interest result is equals to P of B, right? And if A is greater than 0, then we can say res equals to res Xor with p of a minus 1, and then we just have to print out the result, right? So let's try to submit the solution. So as you can see, we have passed all the test cases. So thanks for watching.